Under optimal conditions, the gastrointestinal tract presents a constant level of inflammation due to the interaction of the microbiota and the dietary antigens. As long as this inflammation is controlled, the local immune system will be active at baseline and, together with the beneficial microbiota, will exert positive effects on intestinal and general health. However, due to current production rates, the intestine of animals is subjected to constant stress by factors that increase the inflammatory reaction and negatively affect the functionality of the intestine and the integrity of the intestinal barrier. Intestinal inflammation is a process that consumes up to 30% of energy and protein, causing a decrease in growth. In addition, the absorption of nutrients is reduced, and all this causes the conversion rates to be compromised. The intestinal epithelium loses its integrity. The strength of the tight junctions between enterocytes decreases, and this allows the entry of pathogenic bacteria and toxins into the bloodstream. Finally, the consequences are important. They affect the productivity of the animal, which can also generate other types of pathologies that compromise operating performance. Given this situation, how can we regulate and optimize intestinal integrity? Pro-X is a phytogenic product based on natural active ingredients and substances of plant origin that exerts a direct action in the maintenance of intestinal integrity and functionality. How does Pro-X optimize intestinal function? Its main mechanism is to reduce the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines involved in the undesired inflammatory process. Pro-X prevents losses related to this inflammatory process and, at the same time, favors feed consumption and better absorption of nutrients, modulates the inflammatory and immune response, promotes increased growth of beneficial microbiota, and maintains the integrity of the intestinal epithelium. As a consequence, the Pro-X effect becomes evident in operation, supports animal health status, maximizes weight gain, improves production of meat, eggs and milk, and therefore improved productivity rates. Pro-X protects the intestinal integrity for the challenges of a modern and sustainable production.